In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Canva. If you're ready to start a new design project, make a presentation, or create a social media graphic, the first thing you need to know is how to access Canva properly. The good news is that Canva is very easy to open, and you don't need any advanced technical skills to get started. Whether you want to use it in a web browser or through the desktop app, the process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. To begin, go to your computer's main desktop and open your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. Just double-click the browser icon to launch a fresh window. Starting with a clean browser window makes things simpler and helps you focus on getting directly to the right website. Once the browser is open, move to the address bar at the top of the screen. Click into it, type www.canva.com, and then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Canva's official website. It's always a good idea to make sure you are entering the correct web address so you land on the real Canva homepage and avoid any unnecessary confusion. When the site loads, look to the top right area of the page. If you already have an account, click Log In and enter your account details to access your existing workspace. If you're new to Canva, click Sign Up to create a free account. Follow the prompts on screen to complete the setup. This part is important because logging in or signing up gives you access to your saved designs, templates, and other features inside the platform. If you would rather use Canva as a desktop program instead of in a browser, you can download the Canva desktop app from the official website. Look around the top or bottom area of the page for the download option, then choose the version for Windows or Mac. After the installer finishes, open the app, and in the future, you can launch Canva anytime by double-clicking the Canva shortcut on your desktop. Once you've logged in through the browser or opened the desktop app, you should arrive at the Canva home dashboard. Take a quick look around to make sure everything has loaded correctly. You should be able to see your profile area, your recent designs, and your main workspace. From here, you're ready to click Create a Design and start working. That's all it takes to open Canva. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next